Looking for a top floor unit in one of Abbotsford's most vibrant and walkable neighborhoods? This corner unit offers a rare blend of comfort, convenience, and lifestyle. This could be the one you've been looking for. Welcome to Citadel Ridge. Steps away from historic downtown Abbotsford, puts you walking distance from all the shops and amenities and everything you're gonna need. One of the standout features of this home is the private enclosed garage located in the secure underground parkade, a rare and valuable perk to condo living. From coffee shops and bakeries to the farmers market and Jubilee Park, whether you're grabbing brunch, running errands, or enjoying a day out, everything is just 5 minutes away. Plus, easy access to public transit, Highway 1, Highway 11, and commuting is a breeze. If you're searching for a unique and spacious condo with unparalleled access to the downtown amenities, this Citadel Ridge condo might be the one for you. Schedule a tour and come see for yourself.